Hey folks, it's Eugene here, and I've got the new version of Recon-3D. It's a 2.0 version, and let me show you a quick thing you can do now that you couldn't do before. I've got a scan here, and I've got this new 3-dot menu up in the top right. I'm going to hit that, and I'm going to duplicate this project. It comes with a -1. I'll just keep that and go create, and at the very top here, you'll see that it's here. So now when I go into this scan, I can reprocess this on the cloud with different settings. You can see I have my settings right here. Now, if you're interested in learning more about Recon-3D, maybe you're a first-time user or whatever, I'm having a certification course that's coming up very soon. The link is down below and you can find out more about registration. This is going to be going through the theory, it's going to be going through best practices for scanning, legal considerations, and a whole number of other things. It is a certification class, so you'll get a certificate. It's also qualifying for ACTAR CEUs, and the course is recorded, okay? So if you can't make that specific date, you get 2 weeks access to the recording, so you can always follow up on the class and get credit for the certificate. Have a look down below. Hopefully I'll see you there. Bye-bye.